Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Passionate and I'm so happy that you clicked on this video today, and welcome to Easter Family Values. So today I'm showing you all my nighttime cleaning routine. This is something that I have to do every night to make sure that the house is clean, because I just cannot sleep with a dirty home. So I'm starting off in the kitchen, of course. I put on a little bit of YouTube and I start on the dishes.
Coffee cups and cigarettes laying around the room. I don't mind a little mess, just wanna stay with you. And we'll do anything that we want today. Won't be scared of falling down no more. So take me away to some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away. Under the sun, we do our best to hide innocence fading away as we learn the truth. And we'll be anything that we wanna be. Gonna get what's coming anyway. So take me away to some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away. Cross the borderline into our dream. Nothing will ever be as real as this. The flames won't burn our skin. We're thick as thieves, and we know what we do. We live on like an echo. Oh, so take me away to some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away.
So I was so excited to receive these e-cloths in the mail. I got them a few days ago, and I learned about these from one of the YouTubers here, Till Vacuum Do Us Part. And supposedly, using these e-cloths is supposed to cut down on you using so many chemicals, and it just takes a little bit of water to get the surfaces clean, which I think is amazing. It works pretty well. I was very satisfied with the first use here.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. Baby, there's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know?
So this is another first time use of a product in the video. I decided to use the Barkeeper's Friend in my sink area to see if I like the way that it cleans as opposed to like my sprays that I use. And I can say that it really did do a good job. I didn't see any residue, so it's a win.
heaven rings. All I ever need,
So now that the dishes are clean and the counters are cleaned off, I had to go ahead and start on the floors. Normally, of course, I'm going to sweep, but tonight I had to go ahead and mop. For some reason, it was a little sticky on the floor, so this is not something that I would do every night, but if it's needed, I'm definitely going to go ahead and conquer the task.
maybe there is a place where we could go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Oh, you can buy your way into my heart.
So after the kitchen is complete, I normally go ahead and light a candle. So I'm excited to show you all. A friend of mine actually started her candle business. It's called Drea's Candle Shop. The scent that she sent me is Jamaica Me Crazy. And guys, it smells so good. I feel like I'm right on the freaking island. So I've moved over to the dining room. I'm just clearing off the table. I'm going to wipe it down as well. And then I'm going to just sweep and do a little bit of Swiffering in here.
Maybe there is a place where we could go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you.
So I'm looking for an alternative method other than this Swiffering. And when I was looking in that pamphlet for the e-cloth, I saw that they actually have a e-mop. I think that's what it's called. But either way, it's just a damp cloth that you would put over like a mop that looks or is similar to a Swiffer. And all it needs is water. Until Vacuum do its part, she swears by it. So I think I'm going to give it a try. So our living room is always the biggest task of the night because I'm clearing out Madison's toys. I have to basically vacuum the carpet here because of, we're having snacks, or let's just say we watched a movie and it's popcorn. There's going to be some crumbs that may get on that floor or make it on the couch. So I have to definitely clear all of those things out just for my peace of mind. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just straightening up the pillows because, of course, the pillows, if they are not straightened out, it really just irks my nerves. So I got to do that, as well as just clean everything off. And I'm also going to go ahead and clean off that table as well. So it'll be all nice and clean and ready to probably destroy the following day. Guys, so I hope you all enjoyed this nighttime cleaning routine of me cleaning my kitchen, living room, and dining room. If you like videos like this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up so I know these are the type of videos that you enjoy. Go ahead and subscribe if you like the channel as well, and send me a comment. Just say hello. I would love to interact with you all. And of course, after all of this cleaning, you guys, I deserve a reward. So I'm going to go ahead and pour me a glass of wine. And again, I will see you back here next time. Thanks so much for tuning in.